Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rogan for those of you who have never seen me, and if this is your first time, well, if this is your first time, then you've never seen me. Anyway, my name is Rogan and welcome back to my channel. Today I am headed to the salon to get a moisture treatment, a trim, and a silk press because it's now fall and the weather is a lot colder and drier, and so my hair, which is 4C hair, needs as much moisture as it can possibly get. And I haven't had a trim in about 2 or 3 months, so I know the ends are going to come off. And I'm also going to be doing a silk press. Now this will be the second time that I've done that. I did it once years ago at a Dominican salon and my hair was fried to death. It was so bad I had to chop it all off. So if you're interested in seeing this transformation, please continue watching. I'm wearing my cap today because my hair looks like a total rat's nest under here, but you'll see it when I get to the salon. I'll take it off so you guys can see. So if you're interested, continue watching.
It penetrates better with the steamer, and then the cold locks it in.
Does that cold water be like, ooh?
It should be cold though. Maybe like a lukewarm. It shouldn't be freezing.
Okay.
It only feels bad because you just came from
the
under
steamer.
something. Yeah. I'll try to make it quick. Alrighty. Okay. So, here's my opinion.
It feels good.
I think that you like that in the thing. I think that'd be beautiful.
Okay.
You like that?
I do like that.
Okay.
Well, that is cute.
Sorry, tripod.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How do I see it on this side?
Because I don't have it on the. I have it on. Yeah, I don't have it on the front camera. I have it on the rear camera. Because it's clearer if I shoot it this way.
You looking at her screen?
That's what I remember. I was saying that. Yeah. But how am I able to?
Because you're seeing the viewfinder.
I'm thinking you got.
Oh,
I'm thinking it's on that side too.
So ordinarily, if I shot on the front camera, then you'd be seeing the back. I'd have to turn it like that. Sorry.
Oh, okay,
right.
okay.
But because
I'm thinking that you had a camera that had. I had cameras on both.
Child, I wish. I wish. clearer to shoot it this way.
It is, because that's where the HD is.
So all these ends are coming off because they are bad. They gotta go.
Where was your last one?
The last time I was here,
Like that.
I can't even remember. A couple months ago.
Okay.
So I know it's in bad shape.
Pre-COVID?
After. I mean, once you guys opened up.
Okay.
I know plenty gotta come off.
Yeah, you need some food. So, you have some layers. So, off of your perimeter, you need not quite an inch. Not quite an inch. Almost.
Whatever needs to come off.
Okay.
Honest to God, because I don't like when I'm brushing and it's
No,
just
but you're
snagging.
snagging.
What's the inspiration?
I just want it to be healthy. Gotcha. So got to trim about an inch or so off my hair, which I don't care about because it needs to go. I don't know why watching a trim is so satisfying for me.
I love it. I watch it on Instagram. I watch
Girl.
it cut all the time.
Girls, if you're on YouTube watching that all the time, it's just so satisfying. I get it off. Right.
I'll try anything you want to.
I know it wants to go back for real.
Yeah, so I want to wrap it as soon as possible because I don't want to keep going over with the flat iron. But if we wrap it in those oils that in, it'll hold the style.
Okay. So my hair is trying to revert, y'all.
I'm gonna go over your thing one more
Okay.
time.
No problem.
Bye. Thank you.
I'm glad my ends are gone. Do I still have more to go? Do I need to?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Just keep the conditioner. Keep it moisturized. What's your at-home maintenance?
So I use almond oil, and I use Cantu products. What else do I use? That Gold series.
Pantene?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I find that cream is a bit heavy for my hair.
Yeah, because your hair's fine.
Fine textured, yeah. So I don't know.
Okay.
Any suggestions?
Honestly, you're using good products.
Okay.
If I were you, I would try to get a professional brand.
Okay.
Like Mazzani. Like
Mizani do they have like a day, like an everyday moisturizer or something like that?
well, they have a spray. It's called the 25 Miracle Milk.
Okay.
And then they have like if you want to wear they have like a replenishing spray. Like if you do like a wash and go with your product and you wake up in the morning and you need to like revive your wash and go.
Right.
Then they have I can't remember what it's called, but it's a spray. It's a milk.
Okay.
That you just pop back onto your curls to wake them back up again, as opposed to water.
Yeah.
Because water, depending on where you live, can be
Harsh.
Yeah, it can be the opposite of hydrating. It can actually drain her. Yeah.
I was listening to her talk too, and she was saying about the minerals in the water.
Oh, about our
in DC.
Yeah, our water spouts. Yeah, DC water is so harsh. So hard. Do you live in DC?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, yeah.
So I know. I know what it is. Well, that's a wrap. Literally, that's a wrap for me. Because my hair is trying to revert, and so I have to do it like this because I come here for it to go right back for y'all. So I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye. And don't forget, new videos every Wednesday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.